Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issues of importing the OBS screen recording files over your Premiere Pro software. They may arise a lot of issues if you cannot, if you don't do this step if you while you record a video over the OBS. Now, in order to do this, you don't need to record your video again if you have previously recorded. It's just one simple step. All you need to do is to just simply go to this option which says file, just simply tap over there, and here you're gonna see this option which says remux recordings. Just simply tap over here, and here you're gonna see which says OBS recording. Just simply import your previous OBS recording that you want to that is occurring a issue while importing to the Premiere. For example, if I open this one, now here you're gonna see this video has been listed over here. You can import multiple videos as well. They can also be compiled at once. Now, once you do that, just simply hit remux, and now that mkv file has been converted to, you can see that mkv file has been converted to mp4 file. Now you can browse it to the same folder and try importing the new file, and all your problems have been now solved. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.